This is Mark. If you remember last week's episode, I met up with him in New York City to help him step out of his comfort zone and show you that you can talk to anyone. But you know, he had a bit of difficulties, so we decided to meet for day 2. And one last thing, this week I'm going to Denver, Colorado. So if you guys are around, if you want to get coffee, lunch, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email and we'll make it happen. Now the video can start. You're watching the 37th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Excuse me? I like the curly hair and everything. I like your outfit, by the way. What's your name?
Yeah,
it's a
you
pleasure
too.
meeting
Oh my God,
you.
have the best day.
I'm with Mark for day 2. We met on Thursday. We're on Monday. Did anything happen over the weekend?
I haven't really approached anybody since then just because I've been a little bit busy, so I haven't really been out and about too much.
Well, did you censor yourself since last time? Did you see someone you wanted to talk to and you didn't go for it?
In the gym, yes.
Okay,
and
so,
it's been happening once in a while,
so
even
don't give
before.
me the I don't have time.
Sure. Excuse me? Hi, sorry. I just thought you looked really cute. I just wanted to come say hi.
Hi.
I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you,
What's your
Mark. I'm
name?
Becca.
Becca. Are you from around here?
I am. I do have a boyfriend, though,
Oh,
Mark.
you do?
But
Okay.
I really appreciate you coming out.
No, not a
That's
problem
so
at all. You take it easy, okay?
Yeah,
It's a
you
pleasure
too.
meeting
Oh my God,
you.
have the best day.
You too. I felt great on that one, and she also told me, she's like, "Oh man, thank you so much. You really made my day. That was really awesome." But I do have a boyfriend, so I feel like so happy for going in for that
Okay,
one.
yeah, that was good. I think that was good. But as last time, you keep like talking to a stranger. You keep saying like, oh, I just want. You keep like just adding padding.
Right. Hello. Sorry to bother you. I just thought you looked really beautiful. I just wanted to come and say hi.
Hi.
Sorry to startle you.
No, I love it. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, I just are you from around here?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not?
No.
Okay. You take it easy then.
Thanks.
She kind of didn't seem like too into the conversation, as if she was like, please just leave me alone.
So yeah, but what I picked up is once again you said hello, but then you said, I just want to let you know you're beautiful. Like when you do this, you're not talking to someone at the same playing field. You're like you're like talking to her as if she's like some celebrity or like she's above you. You're like, I just want to let you know. Like when do people use this type of terminology? It's like when you don't want to bother someone by email, you're like, oh, I just want to let you know. Actually, if you respected what you say to the word, you would just let her know and then you would leave because you just want to let her know.
Okay, I see.
So like you have to remove that, and then and then another sign of your anxiety is you ask, are you from around here?
Yeah.
Which is completely irrelevant.
I know. I was trying to like get myself away from like, oh, come on.
It's like
I know.
Like, ask, how's your day going? Where are you going? What's going on today?
Man.
Like start with the present. Like who cares where she's from? Like.
I know. It's one of those fluff words, and I know I'm throwing it in there. I'm like, oh, he's gonna kill me after this. Excuse me? Hi, how are you? I just thought you looked really cute, and I just wanted to come say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? I'm Mark. Pleasure to meet you. Do you mind if I take a seat next to you?
I have a boyfriend, though.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
I'm so sorry, I do.
Okay, well, just take what I said as a compliment. I hope it made your day just a little bit better, all right?
Actually, thank you so much.
All right, not a problem. You take it easy. I definitely like that interaction because it's one of those where the person didn't get freaked out. So I guess that's a good sign. And then she was smiling at first, so just kind of approached her, said, "Oh, you look."
Okay. What do you think you said?
You look really cute. I just thought you looked really cute, and I just wanted to come say hi. Okay, I guess I didn't catch it on that one.
You're too polished, you're too polite.
Okay, gotcha.
You're more familiar.
I gotta break out of that. Excuse me? Hi, you look really cute, and I just want to come say hi.
Hi, that's nice of you. I'm on my way somewhere, but I
Oh,
hope you have a
really?
nice
Okay,
day.
enjoy your day.
Okay, so it's the same problem.
Yeah, I know. I caught
I
I was like,
just
he's gonna
want to
kill
say
me.
hi. Stop saying it. Just like because right now you got exactly what you want, what you asked for. I just wanted to say hi. Okay, hello, bye.
Yeah.
Like I just wanted to say hi. There is no closeness in that statement. You're not talking to her like an equal.
I know.
I was like, I figured if you're going to Harold's.
Excuse me? You look really cute, and I just want to come say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, you do? Okay. How'd you guys meet?
Work.
Work. Oh, okay. Nice. So what brings you here today?
I live.
Oh, you do? Okay. I'm not too far. I'm out from Long Island, so yeah. I just kind of like meeting new people, and I just kind of realized you, so I was like, oh, she's cute. So yeah. Do you go to school here or what?
No, I graduated from college like 2 years ago. I work.
Oh, you work? What kind of work do you do?
I work in finance.
Finance. Okay. I'm an IT consultant. I'm a QA engineer, so yeah. Yeah. Haven't met anybody at work yet, though. I started like 3 or 4 years ago, yeah. But I recently stopped working the job just because I was like tired of it. I was like, all right, I've kind of hit the ceiling. I'm done with this BS. I'm out. So yeah. Do you by any chance have Instagram just to kind of like hang out or something? Not like in an intimate way or anything like that.
Yeah, I guess.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Cool. And your name one more time? Pleasure to meet you. I just got to meet up with a friend soon, so yeah.
Oh, yeah, no.
All right.
Sure, yeah.
You take it easy. It was a pleasure meeting you. I like that one a lot because even when she said like, oh, I have a boyfriend, I kind of went a little bit further into depth just to kind of get to know her anyway. And that's something I wouldn't have done before. And like after the previous interactions, I was like, you know what? Let me just see what she's all about, where she's from a little bit, and get to know her. So
I think that was cool. Personally, when I heard you like ask for Instagram, like trying to stay in touch, I felt it was a bit rich because like I didn't feel that you connected like that well. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it was
just pushing it like for no reason.
Yeah, like you still say like this just, you know,
yeah, kind of
if
making
you talk
it
to
like
people like a
strangers.
stranger, you're not going to connect with them. You know,
Yeah.
You're going to connect with them at the stranger level. You know what I
Okay.
mean?
Yeah.
It's when you're like yourself, like familiar, that's when you connect with people.
Correct.
Because you're going to express your true self, which is going to invite people to do the same. But when you talk through a mask, people are also going to talk through a mask. You know, you have to be a bit more authentic, a bit more genuine, less polished, less like
Too formal.
Like you're not don't be the spokesman of yourself. Just be yourself. You know, like you know what I mean. Like it's you're adding an extra layer of fat there. Like you need to remove it.
Okay.
But,
I agree. By the way,
that was I would say also a step in the right direction.
Okay. Cool. Excuse me. I thought you were really cute, and I just wanted to come say hi. What's your name? Pleasure to meet you. I'm Mark. I like your outfit, by the way.
Thank you.
Are you from around here?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a student or what?
Yes, I'm doing a master's degree in Parsons.
In Parsons, okay. Yeah, I'm from Long Island. I'm like a QA engineer, but I'm just kind of out here just getting some fresh air, and I just kind of noticed you. So yeah. So you're just out here studying on your iPad, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, listen, I got to catch up with a friend, but I just noticed you, and I wanted to grab coffee sometime.
I have a boyfriend.
Oh,
Sorry.
you have a boyfriend? Okay, not a problem. It's
It
it's a
was
pleasure to
nice
meet you.
meeting
It's just like there's no life in that interaction.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%. I have nothing to comment about it any differently. I didn't personally like the interaction itself.
You went back to square one. You said like just like 2 times. You asked her like, "Are you from around here?"
Yeah, I used like all the X marks that I was like, damn.
You just at this plateau right now
Yeah.
that you just need to pierce through.
Excuse me? I thought you looked really cute, and I just wanted to come say hi. I like the curly hair and everything, and I'm feeling your vibe, so I kind of noticed the glasses too. I was like, oh, she kind of looks a little bit nerdy, but cute. What are you reading?
I'm reading 2 different books actually at the same time.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
one of them is in French, though.
Oh, one of them is in French. Okay, cool. I noticed it said Muhammad on it. Are you, by any chance, like religious or?
I was brought up religious, but I'm not particularly.
Okay. Are you Middle Eastern?
Yeah.
What kind?
I'm Egyptian.
I'm Egyptian too.
Oh, really?
بتكلمي عربي?
I don't out of
Oh, okay. I would have never guessed because I was like the
Really?
brunette curly hair. Yeah.
I feel like I look pretty Egyptian, but
Okay.
I mean, like I also not a lot of people tell me I look Egyptian, so
Yeah,
I
yeah.
get a lot of like random.
I guess because you kind of got like a tan, like skin tone on the top going on a little
I'll
bit.
take it.
Yeah.
Where do
I'm
you think
feeling
it
it.
was from?
I don't know. I thought you were maybe like slightly like a light-skinned African American, believe it or not.
Really? Oh my gosh, I've never gotten that actually before.
Yeah.
Awesome. So where are you from in Egypt?
So I was actually born here. My parents are both from Egypt.
Oh, cool. Okay,
Yeah.
same.
Yeah. Okay. Are you like from New York originally?
No, actually, I moved here. Yeah.
Oh, from where?
From Massachusetts.
Oh, okay. Were you in like Boston or somewhere around there?
Yeah.
Okay. Because right now one sister got out of PA school there from MCPHS, and then the other one just got in for like becoming a doctor.
Awesome.
Yeah, and they're Egyptian too, of course. So yeah.
That's awesome. No, that's good for them. It's a good school.
Well, listen, I was really feeling you and everything, and I just want to get your number, just to kind of like go grab coffee or something like that sometime.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what's your name again? Mark. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's very common.
Yeah.
I actually, funny enough, like last week met another one, an Egyptian who I didn't know was Egyptian, just talking randomly to, and her name was like Amanda, and I was like, oh, I would have never guessed that's like a Middle Eastern name.
That's impressive, Amanda.
Yeah, I was like, what? Here, hold on one second. Cool. Here, let me shoot you a text. Well, listen, it's an absolute pleasure meeting you, and I'll definitely text you sometime. We'll get something going, all right? All right, take it easy. Thanks.
Yeah, nice. That's good.
Felt really, really good. I love the interaction on that one. That one felt more like fluid, sort of, because I felt like there was like a bit more of like feedback from her and me, like a give and take, like a good amount.
Also, you talk very fast. Like you don't need to always be saying something. You know, just slow down, let the conversation breathe. You know, she said like, "Oh, I'm from Massachusetts." Boom, you talk about your sister. Like, you know, you don't always need to put like a card on the thing. You can just wait. You know, like I'm sure there were more relevant things to say than talking about your sister.
Sure.
And then I just thought it was funny that you mentioned this other Egyptian girl.
Yeah, I was like, why
really
did I say that? I was like, oh man, because I think I was trying to add like something about it. Just that was.
I think that's linked to like you being too eager to talk.
Yeah.
Just like slow down. You know, embrace the silence. Just relax. You know, it doesn't need. Like just let the thing flow. You know?
As I was saying, I was like, why am I talking about this? This is so dumb. Like,
so how was today?
It was awesome. Loved the experience. Finally got someone that I kind of had like some compatibility, I would say, with, and I love the interaction. I got one girl's number, and I definitely felt a lot more. Like less anxious today after I constantly did more and more approaching.
Okay, so you did feel like a difference?
It's something that motivated me to like step outside of my box and to kind of just like think like, it's okay to like just, say hi to people or interact with people in general that you don't know. That's something I never would have really been more like on a more high frequency on.
I see.
So, it was definitely very enjoyable. And I got to meet so many people today, so yeah.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching? Maybe people who
try to step outside of your comfort zone and just interact with people. I'm telling you, you actually feel good too. Right now, I feel like on top of the world just for saying hi to people or just giving someone a compliment or something. I feel good. So
can you develop that? What do you mean? What feels good?
So the reason why I feel good right now, it's kind of like when you kind of get that like high of like, wow, I'm actually progressing or getting better at like stepping outside of my comfort zone to kind of interact with people. And so for me, this is why I really enjoyed the experience, and I feel like this time today was so much better than probably Thursday.
Better. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Okay. Any last words?
Definitely hit this man up and take the challenge. If not, then at least try it on your own.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. As I said, I'm going to Denver this week, so let's make something happen. And that's it for today. See you next time.